Two races are off of the starting line, then the race transitions to on the racetrack.
Kenner flames are up. Sean Langdon trying to hang in there. It's Leah Pruett, 379.4. The first run in the 370s of the weekend, and the first person to stop Sean Langdon in a month.
There you have it. I think that's such a big round for Leah Pruett and for that team and for that race car. You need to stop Sean Langdon at some point, toe-to-toe. This is a Friday night. This is a final round. This is what should have taken place a week ago. She has actually won the
Smoke for caps, really dancing around. Matt Hagan, 4:009, 3:19.60. Thank you, Matt Hagan. And Matt Hagan is your new #1 qualifier. Taking their time, Cody, with a little shake.
Yeah, but Cody left on him by quite a bit.
Nice in-car view. Greg Anderson, HendrickCars.com, 6:67.3, 2:04.11. And Greg Anderson.
Goodness.
Doing it on the Red Rocket. Want to wait to the 60-foot clock for Joey Gladstone. Gaige is out there in front. Gaige Herrera, 6:86.7, 196.59 miles per hour. And you have got a new #1 qualifier.
Welding, pumps, regulators, filters, fueling champions.